So today we are going to study once again lesson. This is class 4th A, subject GSC, date 7, 10, 11, 2020. Lesson 15, the sun and the weather. That is the revision. And in this revision, we are, since very less time is there, so we can see only the worksheet. So we see the worksheet 15. Worksheet 15. A. Tick the right answer. A. Tick the right answer. Tick the right answer. First, 5 questions are given here. First, you see, the sun warms the earth more in. The sun warms the earth more in. 3 options are there: summer, winter, and the spring. So, in out of 3 options, which will be correct? Which will be correct in 3 options? So, option of summer will be correct. So, first will be summer. Summer. Second means the sun warm the earth more in summer. Now next you see, very strong wind accompanied by thunder and the lightning is called. Second you see, very strong and accompanied by thunder and the lightning is called. 3 options are there: storm, thunderstorm, and rain. So which will be correct option? Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm will be correct option. Thunderstorm will be correct option. Now third is see, this is the solid form of water. Third, this is the solid form of water. 3 options are given here: snow, vapor, and rain. Snow, vapor, and rain. Which will be correct option? Snow. Snow is the solid form of water. So here you have to study snow. And fourth, the amount of water vapor present in air is called. The amount of water vapor present in air is called. 3 options are given: precipitation, condensation, and humidity. So here humidity will be correct option. So you write here the humidity. Humidity. And vape, it kills germs and makes the water suitable for drink. Suitable for drinking or suitable to drink. So it kills germs and makes the water suitable to drink. 3 options are there: one is filtration, chlorination, and the sedimentation. One is the filtration, chlorination, and sedimentation. So here chlorination will be correct option. Fifth, chlorination. Chlorination is the correct option. So After, take the right answer. Next, we have to see true and false. We have to see true and false, T and F. T, true and the false. This is part B, true and the false. So first, cold air is light and rises up. Cold air is light and rises up. It is incorrect. Warm air is light and rises up. So first statement is false. So first is false. Now see the second. Land gets heater faster than water. Land gets heater faster than water. Yes, it is true. It is true. It helps in the land breeze and the sea breeze. Now next, sea breeze blow from the land to sea at night. No, it is incorrect. Sea breeze blows from sea to land. So it is incorrect. Sea breeze blows from the land to sea at night. It is false. So third is false. And fourth, clouds are made due to evaporation. Clouds are made due to evaporation. No, evaporation is not enough. In the evaporation, only water converted into water vapors. Condensation is necessary. So this statement is also false. And fifth, filtration is the best method of purifying water. Filtration is best method of to purify water. It is false. Boiling is best method. So this is false. So we have studied. Once again we listen. Cold air is light and rises up. This is false. Land gets heater faster than water. This is true. And third, sea breeze blows from land to night. Sea breeze blows from the land to sea at night. This is also false. And fourth, clouds are made due to the evaporation. This is also false. And fifth, filtration is best method to purify water. This is also false. So we have seen the true and the false. Now one more remain. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. So C section we can see here. This is A, B and next one is the C. C. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. First, give one word. Give one word. So first, a whitish snowy powder that can be seen in the severe winter. This is frost. This is frost. First, frost, and second, water droplets formed by condensation of water vapor. Once again, water droplets formed by condensation of water vapors is dew. It is dew. And third, droplets of water sticking close to each other. Droplets of water sticking close to each other, that is called as clouds. And fourth, round pieces of ice that fall down with rain, that is called hail. And fifth, ice crystals that fall as a white powdery substance on the earth is snow. So give one words once again. We have to see. Give one word. First, a white is snowy powder that can be seen in severe winter. That is called the frost. Second, water droplets formed by condensation of water vapor is called dew. And third, droplets of water sticking close to each other is called as the clouds. And round pieces of ice that fall down with rain, this is a hail. And fifth, that is ice crystals that fall as a white powdery substance on the earth, that is called the snow. So that's for today. Thank you.